Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Samsung has been working on an in-screen fingerprint scanner for years. There had been some hope that the company would bundle a feature in the Galaxy S8, but it ultimately faced manufacturing problems that forced to nix the idea. Samsung had then been taped to bring it to the Galaxy Note 8 and Galaxy S9, but again faced the same problem. Now it's believed that Samsung is working on the feature for the Galaxy Note 9 or even next year's 10th anniversary Galaxy S10, but it's unclear whether the company will have the ability to match its supply demands. A new patent filed by Samsung themselves hints at the inclusion of an in-display fingerprint scanner in the Galaxy Note 9. As you can see in the patent, Samsung plans to include the new in-display fingerprint scanner towards the bottom of the front panel. When a user places their finger on the AMOLED screen, the icon might change its color or brightness. It will then check the sensor reading against the biometric data it already has on hand and verify your identity. If it all checks out, the phone will open. You will be able to make mobile payments, pin secure apps, and more. Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 is currently expected to be announced towards the end of August as with previous Galaxy Note generation, and to fend off lower than expected demand for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. This ultimately means that the company might have less time to actually get it right. So now let me know your thoughts on this, and please subscribe for much more on this and other Galaxy Note 9 rumors. And yeah, see you soon.